Greetings, my beautiful lovelies, it's Emmy, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the contents of this box. It contains $150 worth of tropical fruit, but I don't know what I got. I ordered a variety box and I just requested things that were in season and I don't know exactly what is in here. So let's open it and see what I got. It's pretty heavy. It was overnighted. These were just picked and harvested, I believe on Monday. Today is Wednesday, so very quick turnaround. So of course this is in preparation for some Fruity Fruits videos. If you've missed those videos, I will put the playlist up above and down below. Also, in case you're interested, I'll put the link down below to where I ordered these fruits. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Get this open. Now these fruits came from Florida. Oh my gosh, and the top is stuffed with rambutan. Have you ever had a rambutan before? They're absolutely incredible. Look at that. Aren't they great? Rambutan. That's one of my first Fruity Fruits videos. And again, I'll put the link down below. These are really lovely. They look so strange and alien because they're covered with these hairs, but inside is a beautiful white fruit. So let's take that rambutan out. Alrighty, so everything is very beautifully packaged in these little kind of mesh foam things. So it looks like I got 2 of these. And this was my very first episode of Fruity Fruits. And these are Papaya or dragon fruit. Look how gorgeous these are. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Ooh, this one looks almost orange. Oh, I love it. So beautiful. Look at that. Ah! Okay, now I got this. Now I don't know what this fruit is. Help. What is this fruit? Here's this fruit. It feels kind of hard and maybe hollow, but I have no idea what it is. For all these fruits that I don't know, let me know down in the comments what you guys think they are. Okay, and then I have one of these, and this is a yellow dragon fruit. Look at that. It's so beautiful in contrast with the pink one. And ooh, look at this. This I think is a mangosteen. Based on the leafage in here, I believe this is a mangosteen. I've done a mangosteen episode before, but it was an absolute fail. The fruit was absolutely overripe. Now this is an unripe version. It's quite green. I believe when it's ripe, it turns a beautiful kind of glossy purple. So excited to try a good specimen of mangosteen. I believe that's mangosteen. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, ooh, look at this. This beautiful yellow fruit. I believe this is called the egg fruit. It's called a Castilla, but it's an egg fruit. Look at that beautiful color. Excited to taste that one. No smell on that yet. So I believe some of these are not quite ripe yet, so we're not gonna eat them right away. And then I have a small bunch of bananas. Oh, those are sweet. Very cute. Ooh, look. So another one of these. I think this and this are the same. They feel the same. They have kind of this hard exterior and they feel kind of light. Maybe this is a passion fruit? I'm not sure. This one looks like it's a more unripe version of this, but yeah. Feel very light and hollow and kind of hard. Let's see what else I have. Oh boy. Okay, well, look at this. This one almost looks like a potato. What's that? Kind of dry and scurfy like a potato. Doesn't smell like much. All right. Oh boy, look at this. This, we have an avocado. Look at that beautiful avocado. It's much rounder at the bottom and it comes to this kind of nice taper, a little bit pointier. Oh, that's great. And then we've got more rambutan. And what's this? Oh. Here's another kind of potato fruit. I think this is the same as this, but a little bit larger. What is that? Oh, look at this big one. Ugh. From the looks of it, I think this is a guayabana. I think it's a soursop. I'm not exactly sure. It's got these kind of spikes on them, green. Amazing. So great. And then finally, and the one I'm most excited about, is this. Can you see this? Look at that. This is a cocoa pod. And this is what chocolate comes from. Isn't that wonderful? It's so big and beautiful. It's kind of got this kind of mahogany, slightly reddish, burnt umber, beautiful color to it, slightly waxy on the outside. So inside of this we have cocoa beans, and that's what we use to make chocolate. So I'm gonna research this and see if it's gonna be possible for me to make my own chocolate from this thing. I have no idea. I think it's gonna be quite a labor-intensive process from my understanding of chocolate. There's my cocoa pod. Here's my beautiful fruit. I am super excited. I hope you like that little unboxing. Let me know down in the comments if you've had any of these fruits before, and how do I tell when they're perfectly ripe? Because that's usually a key factor. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Be sure to check out the Fruity Fruits playlist, share this video with your friends, follow me on social media, and I shall see you in the next one. Toodaloo, take care, bye! I am not a robot, I am a potato chip.